You will receive the ProDevice DSS cabinet in an original packaging. Remove the packaging and place the cabinet on a stable surface. The ProDevice cabinet for media storage has 6 or 7 drawers, depending on the model. The DSS 500 model has 5 large drawers and 1 smaller. DSS 600 has 2 large drawers and 5 small ones. The drawers are closed with an Ultra track lock. You will receive 2 keys included in the set. Opening one of the drawers locks the others. The drawers of the ProDevice DSS data carrier cabinet are equipped with separating barriers that can be freely configured, depending on the type of storage media. The drawers are lined with a non-slip mat that minimizes the possibility of media movement.